Okay, show he's in. Right, this is part 2 of the little stove renovation, and today through the post came these little beauts. Hopefully, I did ask if they would fit. He wasn't too sure. It's quite old, like I say, it's 1930, the lamp. Let's try and get in. There's 3 you get for £3.99. I'll leave that in the description down below. Oops, sorry. Oh, that's nice. You get a little card and everything, look. Tilly lamps and stoves. Very nice little card and everything. That's very, very, very nice. So here we go. I hope they fit. They're 0.2, I believe. So let's have a quick look. Also, I'm going to use Coleman's fuel. This is the MSR container, which is really good, and I'm going to use Coleman's fuel, so I might not be here. I might blow myself up. So hold on, put the jet down. I took the old jet out, like we said in the last video. I couldn't do anything with it, so hopefully it fits. It might be a different thread. Oh no, no, no! Oh, fantastic! Fantastic, look at that. Well, I'm just going to pause for a second while I get a little spanner and make sure that that's done up properly. Not over tight, just enough. That'll do. I haven't checked in the seals. I have no idea if it's going to work. So I'm going to pop a little bit of fuel in. It's a bit of a tight, not much. So. Keep banging the camera, sorry guys. Oh, I'm just going to pause. I'm going to move it out of the way so I don't want any spillage. It's not because I don't care about the table being set alight. I don't want myself being set alight, so give me a second. Okay. I'll let that evaporate a little bit. You see that, sorry. And the idea is now that screws down nice and tight. And then we're going to drop a little bit of fuel. Can you see that? In the... This is quite a high octane fuel. Not too much. Okay, and the idea is you warm this up. With your hands. Let's start coming out the jet. Then you screw this on. This is all... I'm going to run when I've lit this. Right, tighten that up. This is a great bit of kit as well. Okay. Run away! The idea is now, so don't set my phone on light, sorry, is it builds up pressure and then it heats up. Can you hear that? I think I put too much fuel in the bottom. It's working. Can you see that? I'll get you in closer in a minute. Actually working, look. How about that then? I think I've got a bit of a... There might be just residue around the cap there. I've got to be careful because that explodes. I'm going to go up with it. Okay. Okay. There we go. I'm going to get away a bit. I don't trust that cap. There's a bit of residue on that cap. You see the residue on there. I'm going to blow this out in a minute, so I might need a new seal for that. But that's amazing, look at that. I don't know if you can see that properly. Let me get any closer. That's working a treat. There's that flame's going. I don't trust that down there. I'm going to give it a bit of a blowout, okay? We might come back to it in a minute, but has that gone out yet? It could be pressurised coming out the cap because I think it needs a new seal. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get down here. Oh, it's gone out now. Woohoo! Pause it, I'm going to get a bit of a kettle and see what happens. I was going to do a boil test, but I'm not. Look at that, it's still a little light, so I'm going to blow it out. The idea is you just blow. Bear with me. So I think I need a new, before I'm going to do any more testing on this, I think I need a new seal for the Primus lid there. And you can hear it's still the gas coming out. But that's amazing. I'm absolutely so chuffed. Brilliant. I'll put the lid on. So I did find some instructions a little bit, and the idea was to warm it up with your hands to get the jet, and then put a little bit of fuel in the bottom. That's soon burnt off. It's still going now. I feel it's hot. Yeah, it's quite. Oh, that's hot. That is. So I'll let that go. The whole thing's hot, which it probably will be. But yeah, you can buy the seals as well. I'll put a link in the description down below. You can still see that, can you? That's it. It's gone quiet. So I'll put a link in the description down below where I got all these from. You get three jets for $3.99. That's including postage from Tilly lamps and stoves. That's on eBay. Yeah, I might give an email and see if we can get the. I just let it cool down now, so I thought I'll finish it off for you. So I need a new seal, which goes in there. You can see it's bubbly bit. It's a bit worn, and there's no seal on the inside. So I've emptied the fuel out now. It's cooled down. So that's new. I don't know if you need a seal for that one. It's possible. It looks like there was a seal in there, very similar to that one. So what I'm going to do there as well, what you do, so when it's finished and it's cooled down, the idea is for transport, excuse me, is you take the cap off once it's cooled down, and you pop this cap on. I would presume there is a seal for it, but I'll have to look into that one. I might even actually give the people I bought the jets from a bit of a tinkle. And that's it, that's ready for your transporting then. So this all goes in the box and it slides in out the way. I've got to revamp the box yet as well. But yeah, it does get messed up quick, doesn't it? It's like, yeah. But that was using the colemans. This is it yeah, it's the colemans fuel. This is I'm using. Very good. Okay. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. All the best. If you'd like to like, subscribe, and share, that would be great. Take care, and I'll see you in the next vid.